Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a temporary email that you can use if you are accessing some site that asking your email, and if you don't want your email to flood with ads, you can use that or in some education purpose as well. So in order to do that, just simply open any browser. Let me create a new window of the browser. Let me open a new window. Once you do that, just simply in the search bar, just simply write temp mail. Once you do that and hit enter, a new website has been opened right in front of you. In this top side which says tempmail.org, just simply go over here, and once you do that, you're gonna see a loading, and a temporary mail for you has been generated right in front of you. You can just simply copy that particular email or get the QR for the same. Here you're gonna see a temporary mail has been generated right in front of me. I can get the copy of it, and even if some inboxes right appears in my email, you can find all the inboxes right here only. All right, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.